Ernesto just went ahead and got started with the headliner. As you guys can see, this is what it's gonna look like while it's actually not trimmed. But once he trims out the little fiber optic lines, it's gonna go ahead and feel like a lot smoother. But guys, this is gonna be over 700 stars. This thing looks amazing already. I wish I could feel the Alcantara, but I gotta go ahead and let him trim the fiber optic lines. But guys, this thing's really nice. See the Alcantara. Everything looks so nice. Wow. So right now, while I'm giving you guys a little bit of this content over here, he's actually doing the M4 as well. You guys see the little fiber optic line right there. That's pretty cool. Thank you. During this process, Nick and Kevin came by. They're actually vlogging this install too. So if you guys want to get a little bit more content about this install, just go ahead and check out the channel. Alright guys, check it out. The genie's already put back together. It looks amazing. The texture on the Alcantara feels incredible. I really wish that you guys can actually feel the texture. When you guys run your hands through the Alcantara, everything feels so smooth and soft. You don't feel the fibers or anything like that, so that's a big plus. So again, we got the pillars done over here all the way to the bottom, and then as a bonus, we also did this trim cover right there as well, so that ties in very nicely. I'm sorry for the mess. It's just, you know, with the cars, the work that I've been doing on them, it's been getting a little messy. But guys, once again, big shout out to SC Headliners. Looks amazing. Alright guys, so this is what the headliner looks like without the lights on. As you guys can see, this thing looks impressive. The one thing I do need to do is just my visors. Everything else looks amazing, like I said. Just check that out. Just flows so nicely. Alright, go for it. Whenever you're ready.
Hey, what's up, boss? SD Headliners here. So we did a 600 starlight package on my guy's M4, right?
Yeah, M4
and the M3 as well. So we did the panel Alcantara. So basically what that is a non-padded material. So when you do a filament like that, you can't even feel them at all. A lot of people like it because, you know, or else it'll be poking you everywhere. He did a full Alcantara convert. He even did the front pillars, even the side pillars, and the rear bottom panel as well. My guy went all out. Even the speaker panel as well is wrapped in Alcantara. But yeah, it's just a little overview of what we did here. Even that little pillar in there, man. My guy went all out on it. We did 2 of his cars as well. Whenever you guys want to hit us up, we're in the San Diego area, but we do mobile and travel service all over USA. A lot of the M4, M3 don't come with Alcantara, so it's getting a little popular with this this feature out here. Let us know.
Thank you so much, bro. Really
Yeah, I
appreciate it.
brother.
Guys, this
Enjoy.
looks amazing. Thank you so much. I can't wait. Honestly, while the car was apart, I was really anxious to get this on the vehicles, not only because of the material, but because of the way, you know, the lights, everything turned out on both of them. As you guys can see, as soon as the doors opened up, the lights came on.
We did 100 extra stars on this one, so 700 starlight package. But yeah, even under the visors, you guys can see we flooded it out everywhere. Badass cars, by the way, my guy.
Thank you. And even on that one, we did the panel, that pillar,
this
right?
This pillar over here does something popular, man.
Yeah, and he even did the back on this one too as well. So all this in the back, actually. Let me open the door, show you guys this from this point. All this right here is also done in Alcantara. That right there too, to match everything. I'm gonna go ahead and put his information up here and also in the description down below. Give him a follow, and if you guys need any type of Alcantara or stars in the ceiling, reach out to my boy right there. He'll take care of you guys. So clean. It's the following day. We have Socks over here joining us for this review this morning of the installation that went down last night. Now, once again, thank you Ernesto and to his team for doing an amazing job. As you guys can see, check that out. You guys can see the Alcantara, how everything just kind of flows. I'm not gonna go ahead and touch it with my hands just because I've always been, you know, that person not to do that. But check it out. You guys can see like everything just flows so good. Now we have the back also done in Alcantara, as you guys can see. Looking so good. Then we have the pillars on this side. The bottom pillar. Let's go to the M4 now. And in the rear, we also went ahead and we did the Alcantara in the rear cover, and also up top over here on this undercover. Check out the rear speaker cover. This thing looks amazing, you guys. Finally, the way it should have been properly done. This thing looks beautiful. Next thing we need to do is the visors, and that will complete the install. If you guys enjoyed the content, if you guys enjoyed it, go ahead and hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed yet. Turn on your notifications. Drop a comment down below. Would you do Alcantara and stars, or would you just do Alcantara, or would you do nothing? Alright guys, I'll see you guys later. Peace.